What's up, everybody? What up, what up, what up? So, today, 6th of April, 2025, what are we looking at? NQ, as per usual. I'll have a couple markups on here. Not really sure what we're looking at. Just kind of get understanding. I think this is the overall target. Price wants to come up here at some point. Um, that was my weekly target originally. But we'll see because we did have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9 bullish days in a row. That never happens. There needs to be some form of retracement. So, understanding that, I think we might come a little bit lower before ultimately going on up. Let's look at the hour chart. What we got? This is looking bullish to me as of right this second. This is the midnight open. As you can see, we did wick above. I don't think we need to necessarily come back up there. Just put a dot on it, so I know that's a midnight open, but uh, I would think we need to come back up there. Something very interesting that's happening here, though, is that we did sweep this low. Now you can see that we are failing to close below the wicks, which indicates to me that maybe it's time for reversal to go higher, potentially on the hour. This gap here is this daily gap, which we may want to come in and we may, we'll see. Let's see the hour real quick. This is the liquidity below this low, which wouldn't be opposed to us taking that. Just go down to 5. We go on to 5. Well, on the 5 we swept liquidity clearly. 10, 1 o'clock. If I'm looking at what is actually the sweep of liquidity, be this one here. We've already tapped into the 2, so so I'll readjust after we take this high. All right. So let's see what's going on. What I would like to see happen is we have absolutely nothing going on there. What I'd like to see happen is this gets swept at a minimum before we proceed to go lower. In my opinion, 9:44. So a couple minutes. This might be another day where we wait till 10 o'clock to kind of see what the plan is for price. See if it makes sense. I mean, as of right now, I have no idea where we're going. I need the liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep, buy side or sell side, doesn't matter. Well, would you look at that? That's a bit ridiculous. That doesn't help at all. So yeah, just a matter of being patient, seeing what price presents at this point. Yeah, so no, am I gonna use this inverse here? Personally, I wouldn't. It's only inverse available, but the 2 minute inverse looks a lot more presentable in my opinion. Not even presentable, just looks more like it would make more sense to take that or the 3 minute. I mean, to me, this looks like a sweep of liquidity. I would have preferred this top one to get taken and then go lower. Um, Once this top one got taken, I would have been, yeah, we're good to go. But I mean, there's three time frames lining up here, so just wait it out, man. Even though, yeah, it probably could have been it, but I don't like it. I don't like it one bit taking a trade like that. Yeah, I probably would have been stopped out, as you can see. Now, what actually makes sense um, would be this one. Why would this one make sense? Did we take liquidity? No. Well, we did take these relatively equal lows on the lower time frame. That's probably liquidity. But I don't like taking those or taking this even. So it's bearish right now. Still probably would have been stopped out on that trade. It would just be better to wait on the 2 minute inverse to get inversed. But now we're probably gonna run to my target before I even get a chance. So yeah, that's fine. If I took something like this, say we got in here, I would not cover this. Oh, maybe I don't know what I would cover. I don't think I'd cover that though. But yeah, this would have been it here. I would probably have been smoked, honestly. I'd probably done something like this. Yeah, I would have been smoked. Boom. That was quick. Yeah, stays moving. Just no entries, man. Wait, where's that? There it is. Okay. Still got a little bit more to go. Okay, so now tapping into it. I'm a little hesitant to take this. We did sweep liquidity. Um, what time is it? Yeah, let me wait till 10 o'clock candle and move from there. Reason being, I'm a little hesitant to take this because we are coming back up into like a breaker area, right? So breaker sweeps liquidity as well as host an FEG. So price may just want to come back up here and then dump lower. So I'm trying to be patient. Not trying. I'm going to be patient with it. Let it do its thing a little bit and come back when I think it's more ready. Someone that I follow just took this one. I gotta be after 3 minute. Yeah, after 3 minute took this into this. Not my style of trading. Wouldn't do that. However, this one right now, provided we close, might be something. Damn, this thing is moving actually. This is just a big fucking stop. Just a massive stop, man. But I wouldn't be surprised if this just keeps on going up here. I don't really like when we get these massive. Where the push is almost too big. I mean, if we close somewhere here, yeah, sure. I don't have a break even point. Technically, this is my break even point. So if I can get in a trade before then, great. But I don't like getting in a trade after my break even point is hit. Hmm. I mean, kind of looking at the 5 minute, we came back into the thing I was talking about. I'm not saying we can't go higher from here. I'm not saying that at all. Um, but it just looks as though we're bearish, and this looks like it's just a kind of a rebalance of price. If I do this to 50%, see, it just looks like we're rebalancing price pretty much from that bearish move. So I personally, well, this doesn't really give me much to work with, to be honest. This isn't the brand. I'll need this to do its thing again, which is quite large indeed. But yeah, we're on the 50%, respecting it. Yeah, maybe that was the right move. This one, it's long right here, but yeah, I would have to put my stop down here at a minimum. Target would have been the two standard deviations, like so. Right, somewhere in here. It's only a 2 hour trade. I don't know, it's not my style. Nothing really going on, man. So let me check. Well, we would have tapped, and I probably would have. That would have been a good trade. That's a missed trade, in my opinion. I was hesitant to take it though, but it would have been a good trade as far as the as far as this is concerned, right? Just not. Um, let's see something. You know what? Maybe I should have taken it. Ooh, well, it is what it is, right? Mm. Oh well, I think that's probably going to be it for the day. I'll do a review of me missing this trade. And yeah,